In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords in Google Ads campaign. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating the interface and adding targeted keywords to the right place, so your ads can reach the people who are actually searching for what you offer. Start by signing into your Google Ads account. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation and click Campaigns. This takes you to a high-level view of all your campaigns, which is helpful because keywords live inside specific campaigns and their ad groups. Next, click Audience. Depending on your layout, this area may be labeled slightly differently, but you're looking for the section where you manage targeting options. Within that view, find and click Keywords. This is where you'll add, edit, and organize the terms that trigger your ads. Now click the plus icon to add keywords. It's the blue button that opens the keyword entry panel. At this point, you'll be asked to select a campaign. Choose the campaign you want to work with so your new keywords end up in the right place. After selecting the campaign, add to an ad group. Ad groups are like folders that group related keywords and ads. Pick the ad group that matches the theme of the keywords you're about to enter. Keeping tightly themed ad groups helps improve relevance and can lead to better performance and lower costs. In the entry field, type the keywords you want to use, typically one per line. Think about how your customers search. Use exact match by placing a keyword in brackets when you want to match the precise query, phrase match with quotation marks to capture close variations that include your phrase, and leave the keyword without symbols for broader coverage. Aim for relevance. If the ad group is about a specific product or service, keep the keywords tightly aligned with that topic. You can paste a prepared list, and it's a good idea to scan for duplicates or overlapping terms before you proceed. As you enter keywords, consider the intent behind each term. High-intent keywords often include words like buy, quote, or near me, while research terms may be broader. Mixing match types can give you coverage and control at the same time. If you see traffic estimates or quality hints on the screen, use them as a guide to refine your list. Once your keywords are placed in the right campaign and ad group, you're set. Your Google Ads campaign now has the targeting terms it needs to start matching relevant searches and serving your ads to the right audience.